Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage access point mode settings in the direct connection settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu right here, go to Preferences, then Network, and here we need to go to the direct connection settings. So let's enable it, because when it's not enabled, then you guys can't change it. Go to access point mode settings, and here we need to enable, or if we want to enable, the SSID, so we can use a custom one or a custom network key. You guys can use both or one, and now after you basically change anything, you enter the info, you guys will be able to actually use it. So then you will just click apply and everything should work perfectly fine. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.